Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to assemble a Vtech corded phone. And this will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. As you can see right here, we have a Vtech corded phone. And basically what it comes with is the actual base, okay? We have the actual receiver, and then you have two cords. You got like a little bit of a swirly cord, and then you also have a straight cord, okay? And I'll show you how to assemble it all together. Now, first and foremost, it does take batteries. So if you take a look over here, there's a battery compartment. I'm going to open it up just like this. You sort of use the tabs to open it up. It says in the manual, make sure like everything's unplugged before you change the battery. So make sure you've unplugged all the phone lines before you change the battery. So you want to change the batteries when it is like this, basically, when it is just plain and simple, no lines attached, just like that. Okay, that's how you want to change the batteries, or put the batteries in for the first time. Okay, that's how you want to do anything battery related when the phone looks like this, no lines attached. So basically, you just use these two tabs to pry open that little compartment right there. And by doing that, you expose the battery compartment, and you can put your batteries in there. Very simple and straightforward. That is, how to put the batteries in. Really, really simple. You can see the springs in terms of the orientation of the batteries over there. But yeah, that's basically it. And when you're done putting the batteries in, you close that little flap over there. Sorry about that. I got to clear my throat a little bit. But anyways, you might hear me clear my throat a couple times or coughing a couple times, but just ignore it and follow the instructions. So that's how to deal with the batteries. The next thing is the receiver, which I dropped on the floor over here. So, hello? Yeah, yes, I am actually that good looking. Yes, that is true. That is true. So here's the receiver end of the phone. But basically this end is what goes on here, right? Now you got to plug it in. So for this over here, you got to get the little swirly cord, okay? So what we have here is a swirly cord. One end of the swirly cord is going to go in here, and it's very straightforward. It just goes in, it gets plugged in very, very simplistically. You can look at the shape and realize which way it goes, okay? Just like that, it clicks in place. And then the other end of the swirly cord, okay, which is attached to this this receiver, is going to go over here. If you take a look on the phone, you can see right over here, there's it's a tiny, tiny symbol of like it's a raised little icon of like the receiver of the phone right over here. It just looks like a little bit of like almost like a banana, to be honest with you, like a straightened out banana. But right over there, that's where it goes over there. That's where the symbol is, okay? And basically, you're going to take the other end of that little loopy cord, and you're going to plug it in over there. Okay, very simple. Once again, look at the shape, and it only goes in one orientation. Very easy, just like that. Okay, you've now done half the job, more than half the job. Between the batteries and the receiver, you've done more than half the job. Okay, very simple. That's done. Now the last thing you got to do is over here. It says there's some lettering that says TEL for tel, and tel stands for telephone. So when you see tel over there, it stands for telephone. So guess what? This is where your telephone line goes. Which one is the telephone line? Well, it's the straight cord over here. So you're going to take your straight cord over here, the one that has no swirls, and you're going to plug it into the telephone jack over there. And the other end is going to go get plugged into your phone landline in your house. Excuse me. So basically, the other end is going to go get plugged in to like your phone line in your house. You connect this to like your phone house line. And that's how to assemble it. It's actually really, really easy to do. The process is so simple, and I've sort of told you and shown you exactly how to do it in this video tutorial. And I hope that you've enjoyed it, but I've got nothing else to say, so we're going to roll the outro. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.